name is Naila Tazkiatul Afida. My last ID number is 124. Today I would like to retell a novel with the title Lovers by Judith Krantz. So this novel tells about Gigi Orsini. Gigi is an ambitious, intelligent, and independent woman. She has a strong desire to success in life, especially in the advertising industry. She wants to prove that she can build her own career without depending on anyone. At the beginning of the story, Gigi decides to start fresh. She leaves her previous job and joins a new advertising agency called FRB. She feels excited and hopeful because she believes this company will give her a bigger opportunity and better future. However, when Gigi arrives on her first day, something unexpected happens. The two partners who hire her completely forget that she's starting that day. No one is ready for her, no one greets her, and no one even know what she's supposed to do. As a result, Gigi is left alone in a small office for hours. At first, she feels embarrassed, shocked, and confused. She starts questioning herself, thinking maybe she made a mistake by leaving her old job. The situation makes her feel unimportant. But after sitting there for a long time, she begins to change her mindset. She realized that one bad experience cannot define her future. Instead of leaving or giving up, she decided to stay calm. She observed the environment, listened carefully, and start adapting to the new chapter. Slowly, Gigi started to grow in the company. She began working on advertising ideas, learning how the agency works, and showing her creativity. Even though she is a new and underestimate, she kept passing herself forward. Outside of her career, Gigi also has a complicated love life. She is in relationship with a man called Jack Nevsky. Jack is truly love Gigi, but he has a very traditional thinking. He believes that a woman should focus more on love, home, and relationship rather than building a career. Because of this belief, Jack wants Gigi to leave her job and move with him, and they can live together. However, Gigi strongly disagrees. She loves Jack, but she also loves her independence. She feels that her career is not just a job; it is part of her identity. She doesn't want to give up her dreams for a relationship, even if she cares deeply about him. The difference creates a serious conflict between them. At first, they try to understand each other, but over time, their conversation turns into argument. Jack become more demanding, and Gigi become more independent. Slowly, emotional distance grow between them. Even though they still love each other in some way, they cannot agree on what their future should look like. While her personal life becomes stressful, Gigi's career slowly begins to improve. At FRB, she started working on real advertising projects. She saw creativity, confidence, and strong ideas. People began to notice her talents. The same woman who was once ignored on her first day is now slowly earning respect. One of the most important moments in her career happens during the Indigo Seas campaign. In this project, Gigi takes a very big risk. She presents an idea that was not officially approved by her boss. Normally, this is something dangerous because it could lead to serious consequences, including losing her job. But Gigi believes strongly in her idea. She trusts her instinct and decides to present it anyway. And surprisingly, her is buy off. The client loves her idea, and the agency wins the account because of her creativity. This becomes a turning point in her career. She proves that she's not only talent but also brave enough to take responsibility for her ideas. So now Gigi facing two major struggles at the same time: pressure in her career and emotional conflict in her love life. Then a new character enters her life and changes everything, named Ben Swinstrop. Ben is powerful and very charming businessman. At first impression, he looks perfect. He is confident, elegant, and knows exactly how to make Gigi feel special. He gives her attention, admiration, and makes her feel value in a way he has not felt before. Because of this, Gigi becomes emotionally drawn to him. Ben introduced Gigi to a completely different world. He takes her to luxurious places, expensive restaurants, high-class social events, and romantic trips to cities like Venice. She experienced a glamorous lifestyle full of beauty and comfort. At first, it felt like a dream. Gigi feels excited, admired, and emotional. After the stress of work and the emotional tension with Jack, Ben's world felt like an escape. But slowly things began to change. Gigi started noticing that Ben is not perfect as he seems. He is not just romantic, he's also controlling. He likes to make decision without asking her opinion. He expecting to go his way and often ignore what Gigi truly wants. Even though he appears loving on the surface, Gigi begins to feel that she's slowly losing her independence again, just in different form. At the same time, she still cannot completely forget Jack. Even though their relationship end, she still remembers their emotional connection and the honest they once shared. This makes her heart even more confused. So now she's stuck between two worlds. Ben luxury and control, and Jack emotional history and unresolved feeling. As the story continues, this emotional conflict becomes stronger. Gigi starts questioning her choice. She begins to wonder whether Ben is truly right for her or whether she is being blind by his wealth and charm. The turning point of the story happens when a journalist named Branchy discovers and reveals shocking truth about Ben. Gigi learns that Ben is not just honest and generous man she thought he was. Behind his charm, he has been involved in serious manipulation and unethical action. He has used his power to destroy other people's lives for his own benefit. Even more shocking, he has spread false information about Jack in order to ruin his reputation. So this truth completely breaks Gigi's trust. She realized that everything she experienced with Ben, the luxury, the attention, the gift, was not just love, it was also control, manipulation, and power. Now the emotional tension reached its peak. During a public ceremony attended by important guests and journalists, Gigi made a bold and powerful decision. Instead of staying silent, she confronted Ben in front of everyone. She expressed his lies and public accused him of his action. Then, in a symbolic moment, she removed the emerald rings he gave her and dropped them one by one. So this show that she is reject everything connected to him. After that, she walked away from him in front of everyone. This moment is very powerful because she chose truth and self-respect over wealth and power. She completely end her relationship with Ben. Even though she felt pain and disappointment, she knows it is the right decision. She understands that love should never take away freedom or identity. Later, Gigi met Jack again. They talk honestly about everything that happened. Jack admits his mistake. He was controlling and didn't respect about Gigi's independence. Gigi also admits she needs to be clear about her feelings. So, this honest conversation allowed them to understand each other better. In the end, Gigi and Jack decide to rebuild their relationship, but this time it is different. It is more balanced and based on mutual respect. Gigi continues her career and remains independent. By the end of the story, Gigi has changed completely. She becomes stronger, wiser, and more self-aware. She learned that real love should support who you are, not control who you become. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for